Hello everyone. Today I'm going to present a topic that is AI model for plant growth. Before we discuss AI application in plant growth, it is important to understand where artificial intelligence stands today and why it has become one of the most transformative technologies of the 21st century. Artificial intelligence has evolved from a research concept into a technology that is now integrated into our daily lives. Today, AI powers virtual assistants like Siri and Google Assistant, recommendation systems on Netflix and YouTube, online shopping platforms, autonomous vehicles, healthcare diagnostics, financial services, manufacturing, and modern agriculture. Recent advances in machine learning, deep learning, computer vision, and generative AI have significantly expanded AI's capabilities. Modern AI systems can analyze vast amounts of data, recognize complex patterns, understand images and speech, generate human like text, assist in scientific research, and support decision making across many industries. The rapid growth of AI is also reflected in its economic impact. According to PwC, AI could contribute up to US 15.7 trillion to the global economy by 2030, making it one of the largest commercial opportunities in history. Furthermore, the World Economic Forum identifies AI and data science among the fastest growing career fields worldwide. In agriculture, AI is driving the transition from traditional farming to a precision agriculture. Farmers now use AI together with drones, satellites, robotics, and weather forecasting system to monitor crop health, predict yields, and optimize irrigation, detect disease early, and reduce the use of water, fertilizers, and pesticides. Despite these remarkable advances, AI is not intended to replace human expertise. Instead, it serves as an intelligent decision support tool that enhances productivity, improves efficiency, and helps solve complex challenges such as food security, climate change, and sustainable resource management. Now let's understand how artificial intelligence help us to predict and improve plant growth. An AI model for plant growth is a computational system that learns from large amounts of plant and environmental data. Instead of relying only on traditional farming experience, the AI analyzes data, identifies patterns, predicts future plant growth, and provides recommendation to improve crop productivity. Let's begin with it. The AI model collects information from multiple sources. First, it gathers soil data, including soil moisture, pH, and nutrient levels such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium that are macronutrients. These parameters tell us whether the soil is healthy enough for plant growth. Next, it receives weather data, including temperature, humidity, rainfall, and solar radiation. Since plants are highly dependent on climatic conditions, these factors play a major role in determining growth and yield. The model also uses sunlight data, such as light intensity and day length. Since photosynthesis requires sunlight, this information helps estimate how efficiently the plant can produce food. Modern agriculture also uses drone or aerial images. Drone capture high resolution, multispectral and thermal images, allowing the AI to monitor crop health over large fields within minutes. Another important source is satellite data. Satellites provide vegetation indices like NDVI, land surface temperature, and large scale crop monitoring, making it possible to assess crop health across entire regions. The AI also receives information from IoT sensors installed in the field. These sensors continuously monitor soil moisture, environmental conditions, and other real time parameters, providing fresh data every few minutes. Finally, the model learns from historical farm records such as crop type, sowing date, previous yields, and management practices. This historical knowledge helps the AI make accurate predictions. AI performs pattern recognition, identifying relationships between environmental conditions and plant growth. It extracts important features from data, builds predictive model, and continuously improves its accuracy as more as data become available. The first output is plant height prediction, where the model estimates how tall the plant will grow in the coming days or weeks. Next is biomass estimation, which predicts the total plant biomass, an important indicator of crop productivity. The AI can also perform disease detection by analyzing plant images and environmental condition. It can detect diseases or stress symptoms at an early stage, allowing farmers to take corrective action before major damage occurs. Another important output is yield prediction, where the model estimates the expected crop yield before harvest. This information helps farmers plan storage, transportation, and marketing strategies. The AI also provides irrigation recommendations, indicating when irrigation is required and how much water should be applied. This improves water use efficiency and reduces unnecessary irrigation. Similarly, it also gives fertilization or fertilizer recommendations, suggesting the right nutrients, the correct dosage, and the optimal application time. This reduces fertilizer wastage while improving plant growth. Finally, the AI predicts the best harvest time, ensuring that crops are harvested at their maximum quality and yield. Now, let's understand why there is a need of AI in plant growth. Today, agriculture is facing one of the biggest challenges in human history. On one hand, the world's population increasing day by day, while on the other hand, the natural resources required for farming are becoming limited. According to the Food and Agriculture Organization, the global population is expected to reach approximately 9.7 billion by 2050. To feed this growing population, global food production must increase by 50% compared with 2012 levels. Achieving this target with conventional farming practices alone will be extremely difficult. The first challenge is climate change. Rising temperature, unpredictable rainfall, heat waves, and extreme weather events directly affect crop growth and reduce agricultural productivity. Next challenge is water scarcity. Agriculture consumes nearly 70% of the world's freshwater resources, making efficient water management essential for sustainable farming. Another major challenge is soil degradation. Excessive use of chemical fertilizers, erosion, salinity, and nutrient depletion reduce soil fertility, making it harder for crops to grow efficiently. Farmers also face increasing pest and disease outbreaks. Changing climatic conditions allow many insects and plant pathogens to spread more rapidly, causing significant crop losses every year. Next problem is limited arable land. Due to rapid urbanization and land degradation, the amount of cultivable land available per person continues to decline. This means we must produce more food from less land. These global challenges clearly show that our traditional farming methods are no longer sufficient. Agriculture needs smarter, faster, and more data driven solutions. Thus, this is where artificial intelligence plays a transformative role. Now, let's look. AI enables continuous crop monitoring using drones, satellites, and field sensors. Instead of checking crop manually, farmer can monitor entire fields in real time and identify problems much earlier. The next AI application is early stress detection. AI analyzes plant images and sensor data to detect signs of water stress, nutrient deficiencies, or disease before they become visible to human eye. Early intervention helps to prevent the major crop losses. AI also performs growth prediction by analyzing weather conditions, soil characteristics, and historical crop data. AI can estimate how plants will grow in the coming days or weeks, allowing farmers to plan their management and practices more effectively. Allowing allowing farmer to plan their management practices more effectively. Another important application is yield forecasting. AI predicts the expected crop yield before harvest, helping farmers make informed decisions regarding storage, transportation, marketing, and supply chain management. The system also supports precision irrigation. Instead of applying the same amount of water across the entire field, AI determines exactly when and where irrigation is needed. This conserves water while maintaining healthy crop growth. Similarly, AI enables efficient fertilizer management by recommending the right fertilizer in the right quantity at the right time. This improves nutrient use efficiency, reduces production cost, and minimizes environmental pollution. Overall, AI transforms agriculture from a traditional practice into a precision farming system where every management decision is based on real time data rather than guesswork. Now we check what kind of information does an AI model use to predict plant growth. AI learns from several important environmental and plant related parameters. These parameters directly influence plant health, growth, and final crop yield. The first parameter is temperature. Temperature controls almost every physiological process in plants, especially photosynthesis, which is the process through which plants produce food. Every crop has an optimum temperature range. If the temperature becomes too high or too low, photosynthesis slows down, reducing plant growth and productivity. AI continuously monitors temperature using weather stations and sensors to predict how plants will respond under different climatic conditions. Second parameter is soil moisture. Soil moisture determines the amount of water available to the plant roots. Water is essential for nutrient transport, photosynthesis, and cell expansion. If the soil becomes too dry, plants experience drought stress. On the other hand, excessive water can reduce oxygen availability in the soil and damage the roots. AI uses soil moisture sensors to determine exactly when irrigation is needed and how much water should be applied, making irrigation more efficient. Third parameter is humidity. Humidity affects the movement of water through plants and play an important role in the development of plant diseases. High humidity creates favorable conditions for fungal and bacterial infections, while very low humidity increases water loss through transpiration. AI combines humidity data with weather forecasts to predict disease outbreaks and provide early warning alerts. Next parameter is sunlight. Sunlight provides the energy required for photosynthesis. The amount and duration of sunlight determine how much food a plant can produce, which directly influences biomass accumulation and crop yield. AI monitors solar radiation and day length to estimate the plant growth and productivity. The fifth parameter is soil nitrogen. Nitrogen is one of the most important nutrients required by plants. It is essential for protein synthesis, chlorophyll production, and overall vegetative growth. Nitrogen deficiency causes yellowing of leaves and poor plant development. AI analyzes soil nutrient data and recommends the right amount of fertilizer at the right time, reducing both cost and environmental pollutions. Next is chlorophyll index. Chlorophyll is the green pigment responsible for photosynthesis. The chlorophyll index serves as an indicator of overall plant health. Healthy plants have higher chlorophyll levels, while nutrient deficiency, disease, or stress reduces chlorophyll content. AI estimates chlorophyll levels using drone images, satellite data, and optical sensors to detect stress before symptoms become visible. Another important parameter is leaf area index. It is a total leaf area covering the ground. It reflects the size and density of the plant canopy. A larger leaf area generally means greater photosynthetic capacity and better crop growth. AI uses images captured by drone and satellites to automatically calculate leaf area index over large agricultural fields. Next is NDVI, which stands for Normalized Difference Vegetation Index. It is the most widely used vegetation indices in precision agriculture. It measures the green mass and vigor of vegetation using satellite or drone imagery. Healthy plants reflect more near infrared light and less visible red light, resulting in higher NDVI values. Low NDVI values indicate drought, stress, nutrient deficiency, or disease. AI analyzes NDVI maps to identify unhealthy regions within a field and recommend site-specific management practices. The next parameter is rainfall. Rainfall is primary natural source of water for crops. Both insufficient rainfall and excessive rainfall can reduce agricultural productivity. AI combines rainfall forecast with soil moisture data to optimize irrigation schedules and improve water management. The next parameter is carbon dioxide concentration. Carbon dioxide is a raw material required for carbon fixation during photosynthesis. Changes in atmospheric CO2 influence photosynthetic efficiency and biomass production. AI incorporates CO2 concentration along with weather data to improve growth prediction models, especially in greenhouse and controlled environmental agriculture. After understanding the key parameters influencing plant growth, let's see how an AI model processes this information to make intelligent decisions. This workflow represents a complete journey of agriculture data from collection to actionable recommendation. The first step is environmental data collection. An AI model requires large amount of data to understand plant growth. This data is collected from multiple sources, including soil sensors measuring moisture, pH, and nutrients, weather stations recording temperature, humidity, rainfall, and wind speed, sunlight and solar radiation sensors, drone and satellite images, Internet of Things devices installed in agriculture field, historical farm records such as crop type, sowing date, and previous yields. These data sources provide a comprehensive picture of the environmental conditions affecting plant growth. Next step is data cleaning. Once the data are collected, the next step is data cleaning. Raw agriculture data often contain errors, missing values, duplicate records, or inconsistent measurements. For example, a soil moisture sensor may temporarily stop working. Weather data may contain missing temperature readings. Duplicate observations may occur during data collection. Data cleaning removes these inaccuracies, ensuring that only reliable and high quality data are used for analysis. Next is feature engineering. After cleaning the data, the next step is feature engineering. Feature engineering involves selecting and creating the most important variables that influence plant growth. Instead of using every available measurement, the AI identifies the most informative features such as average daily temperature, soil moisture level, nitrogen concentration, rainfall during the past week, NDVI values from satellite images, chlorophyll index, plant age. These steps help the AI focus on factors that matter most. Then, machine learning. Now, it is the heart of the system, that is machine learning model. During this stage, the AI learns patterns from historical agriculture data. It studies relationships such as how temperature affects plant height, how rainfall influences biomass, how nitrogen levels impact crop yield, how disease symptoms appear in leaf images. Common machine learning algorithms used include random forest, support vector machine, artificial neural networks, convolutional neural network, long short-term memory networks, XGBoost. Next is growth prediction. After learning from the data, the AI begins making growth prediction. Based on the current environmental condition, it can estimate plant height, biomass production, leaf area development, flowering time, harvest date, crop yield, disease risk, water requirement, and nutrition requirement. The final step is decision support. Predictions become valuable only when they lead to practical applications. Based on its analysis, the AI provides recommendations such as when to irrigate the field, how much water to apply, which fertilizer should be used, the correct fertilizer dosage, whether disease control measures are required, the best time for harvesting. These recommendations help farmers make informed, data driven decisions that improve productivity while reducing cost and conserving natural resources. Now that we understand the AI workflow, let's explore the different machine learning algorithm that makes these prediction workflow possible. Each algorithm has unique strength and is chosen based on the type of agriculture problem being solved. First is linear regression, which is used for height prediction. Linear regression is used when the goal is to predict a continuous numerical value such as plant height. For example, by using such data such as temperature, soil moisture, nitrogen content in sunlight, the model can estimate how tall a plant will grow after a certain number of days. Next is random forest. Random forest is an ensemble learning technique that combines the predictions of many decision trees to produce highly accurate results. In agriculture, it is widely used for crop yield estimation. It analyzes multiple variables simultaneously, including weather conditions, soil properties, fertilizer application, irrigation practices, and historical yield records. Because it reduces prediction errors and handles complex dataset effectively, random forest is one of the most popular algorithms in precision agriculture. Next is decision tree. Decision tree works by asking a sequence of logic questions to classify data into different categories. For plant growth, it can classify crop as healthy, moderately stressed, poorly growing. For example, the model may ask, is soil moisture sufficient? Is temperature within the optimum range? Are nutrient levels adequate? Based on these conditions, it predicts the growth category. Decision trees are easy to visualize and interpret, making them useful for agriculture decision making. Next is support vector machine. This is mainly used for classification problems, especially disease diagnosis. It analyzes features extracted from plant leaves such as color, texture, shape, and lesion patterns to distinguish between healthy and diseased plants. For example, SVM can identify disease like leaf spot, blight, or mildew with high accuracy. Its ability to separate similar looking classes makes it particularly useful for plant pathology. Next is convolutional neural network. CNN is specifically designed for image analysis. Instead of manually measuring leaf characteristics, CNN automatically learns important visual features from thousands of plant images. It can identify leaf disease, nutrient deficiency, pest damage, leaf shape, plant species. CNN models have become the foundation of a smartphone application that diagnoses plant disease simply by analyzing a photograph of a leaf. Next is long short-term memory, or you can say growth over time. The next algorithm is long short-term memory. It remembers previous observation and uses them to predict future growth. It can forecast plant height over several weeks, biomass accumulation, flowering time, harvest date, seasonal crop performance. Next is XGBoost, which stands for Extreme Gradient Boosting. XGBoost is one of the most accurate machine learning algorithm for structured agriculture data. It combines many weak predictive models into a stronger models, resulting in excellent prediction accuracy. In agriculture, XGBoost is commonly used for crop yield prediction, production forecasting, water requirement estimation, fertilizer recommendation. Its speed and accuracy have made it a preferred choice in many agriculture AI applications. Next is deep neural networks. These models consist of multiple hidden layers that allow them to learn highly complex relationships within large dataset. Plant growth depends on many interacting factors including temperature, humidity, soil nutrients, rainfall, sunlight, carbon dioxide concentration, and plant genetics. Deep neural networks can analyze all these variables simultaneously and model interactions that are too complex for traditional algorithms. They are increasingly used in smart farming, digital agriculture, and precision crop management. After understanding how AI model work and algorithm behind them, let's now explore the practical benefits of using artificial intelligence in agriculture. AI offers several advantages that make farming more productive, efficient, and sustainable. First is higher crop yield. The first and perhaps the most important advantage is higher crop yield. what we actually demand. AI analyzes environmental conditions, soil properties, weather patterns, and crop health to recommend the best farming practices. By making timely and accurate decisions, farmers can improve plant growth and maximize productivity. Instead of relying on guesswork, AI ensures that crop receive the right care at the right time, resulting in healthier plants and increased harvest. Next is reduced water consumption. Water is one of the most valuable resources in agriculture. Traditional irrigation often leads to either overwatering or underwatering. AI continuously monitors soil moisture, weather forecast, and crop water requirement to determine when irrigation is needed and how much water should be applied. This precision irrigation approach conserves water while maintaining optimal plant growth, making agriculture more sustainable. Next is optimized fertilizer application. Another manager Another major benefit is optimized fertilizer application. Different crops require different nutrition at different growth stages. AI analyzes soil nutrient levels, plant health, and growth condition to recommend the right fertilizer in the right amount at the right time. This not only improves nutrient use efficiency but also reduces fertilizer waste, lowers production cost, and minimizes environmental pollutions. Next advantage is early stress and disease detection. Using drone imagery, satellite images, sensors, and deep learning models such as CNN, AI can detect signs of disease, pest attacks, water stress, or nutrient deficiencies before they come visible to human eye. Early detections allow farmers to take immediate corrective measures, preventing major crop losses and reducing pesticide use. Next is low production cost. AI also helps to reduce overall production cost by optimizing the use of water, fertilizer, pesticides, and labor. Farmers spend less while achieving better results. Next is continuous monitoring. Unlike manual field inspection, AI enables continuous monitoring of crop throughout the growing season. Sensors, drones, satellites collect real-time data every day. Farmers can monitor crop health remotely and receive instant alerts if any abnormal conditions are detected. Next is improved decision making. AI converts large volume of agriculture data into meaningful insights and recommendations. Instead of making decisions based solely on experience, farmer can rely on scientific evidence and real-time information. AI also help in answer important questions such as when should irrigation be applied, how much fertilizer is required, is disease treatment necessary, when the best time to harvest. Last is support sustainable agriculture. Yes, AI plays a vital role in promoting sustainable agriculture by reducing unnecessary water use, minimizing fertilizer and pesticide application, lowering greenhouse gas emissions, and improving resource efficiency. AI helps to protect the environment while maintaining high agriculture productivity. It also supports long term food security by ensuring that farming remains productive without exhausting natural resources. So, AI is transforming traditional farming into smart farming. It enables farmers to produce more food with fewer resources, reduce production cost, monitor crop continuously, detect problems early, and make data driven decisions. So, artificial intelligence is more than just a technological innovation. It is powerful decision support system that helps farmers grow healthier crops, conserve valuable resources, increase profitability, and build a more sustainable future for global agriculture.